Well, one of Maryland's newest mass vaccination sites in Baltimore County will be at the Maryland State Fairgrounds. It has been operating as a Baltimore County site and is now going to become a state site in April. And joining us this morning to talk more about that is Chairman of the Board for the Maryland State Fair, Gary Brewster. Thanks for joining us this morning. Love the Maryland flair.
Thanks, Jen. It's great to be here on behalf of the Maryland State Fair.
Well, tell us about how the site has been going so far for Baltimore County.
Well, really better than expected. People are comfortable coming to the Maryland State Fair, and we're used to having crowds there. We have 2 million people on campus throughout the year, only 500,000 during the 12 best days of summer. But with the easy access off an interstate, our own light rail stop, plenty of free parking, huge buildings to safely host people, it's worked out well. And the actual testing and vaccination program, thanks to the coordination of Governor Hogan and County Executive Olszewski and the Baltimore County Health Department, has just worked with military precision, and everyone is really raving about their experience.
I have heard that. And so what do you foresee changing when it becomes a state mass vac site?
Well, it's only going to get better. And I say that because Baltimore County will get more shots available. Right now, we have the infrastructure, we have the facilities, and as Dr. Branch, the head of the Baltimore County Health Department, has said, right now at the Maryland State Fairgrounds, they're doing about 500 to 700 shots an hour with only a 15-minute wait. And that's as many as some of the sites, the big sites throughout the state, are doing in an entire day. The State Fairgrounds is doing that in 1 hour. In 9 days' time, when we officially become a state supermax center for vaccinations, we'll be able to do as many as 1,000 shots an hour. And that's a game changer to have that kind of volume.
It is. So are you anticipating more staff to be able to handle that kind of volume?
Yeah, it has absolutely been heartwarming, and all Marylanders should feel very proud of what's happened here. Because often you hear about people fighting in politics. This has been a coordinated effort between the state level, the county level, Democrats, Republicans, Governor Hogan, County Executive Olszewski, the Maryland National Guard, the health departments, nurses, volunteers, paid people. Everybody's come together at the Maryland State Fairgrounds and has created what people are calling the best vaccination site in Maryland, and even a national model for how to get things done and how to do it right. And one of the big benefits we have is a guy named Terry Sapp, who is the coordinator for a rock band, Twisted Sister, for many years.
I heard that, yeah.
And he knows how to coordinate things. So you're in and out in 15 minutes. It's a safe, comfortable location. And we sure hope everyone will sign up to come to the State Fairgrounds through the Baltimore County website to get their shot, because we all need to do it.
I hope you have Twisted Sister playing in the background sometimes, you know, just as some little extra inspiration. Listen, you have something big to tell us about as well, not just regarding vaccinations, but regarding the best days of summer toward the end of summer.
Yes, so everybody's wondering when we get back to normal. And I know we heard President Biden say, let's hope we're back to some sort of normalcy by the 4th of July. Governor Hogan recently said, let's try to make it Memorial Day, the end of May. So we're feeling very optimistic. And at this point, the 140th annual Maryland State Fair is scheduled, is on from August 26th to September 6th, as long as it's safe to do so. We always put the safety of the public first, but we think it will be, and we hope everyone will come. We've missed you.
Well, we've missed going. Are you kidding? I miss seeing all the animals, the 4-H kids, the little piglets being born, not to mention all the fair food. So how much fun is that to be able to plan something like this now?
It really is great. You know, we're a volunteer-led nonprofit, and our volunteer board and our staff and management team, they're all chomping at the bit. And the kids, it's all about the kids. Our mission is to promote and educate about agriculture. And we have kids from one end of Maryland to the other, 4-H FFA kids, and they work all year to be able to show their animals at the Maryland State Fair. So we're pretty excited to give them that opportunity.
A lot to be proud of. Gary Brewster, thank you so much for joining us from the Maryland State Fair. Really appreciate it, and good luck.
Thank you, Jen. You too.